Fernando Valenzuela. That's one we haven't seen yet. There's the Steve Lyons again. So far, I got 2 Sammy Sosas in one box, so that's good. Still upside down. Well, a lot of them upside down. This one. Got Treadway, Mark Langston. There's a Will Clark there. We haven't seen him yet. And another Ranger. Jeff Blauser. All upside down. Steve Lake. All twisted. And an Andres Galarraga. Back when he was with the Expos. Last pack. We have some last pack mojo with some good cards in it. Maybe another Sosa or Griffey. Ken Griffey Jr. Oh, no, we got Bob Hamlin. This guy was Rookie of the Year in 1991. Or was it 1992? The same year that Eric Karros was Rookie of the Year. So it was 92. Jim Abbott. The one-hand wizard. Another Expo. Alan Tardible. Manny Lee. Brady Anderson. Randy Reddy. And Robert Alomar. Another Mike Greenwell. Well, that seems to be it. I've beginning looking these 2 Sammy Sosas. I don't know. They both look pretty decent. Centering. I don't know. But there you go. We got 2 Sosas, 1 Griffey, 1 Juan Gonzalez, and then a whole bunch of stickers. A lot of doubles and triples and even quads. Alright. Well, that was the video today. Hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe. Let me know how you want me to do the other 2 boxes. Make another video or do them live or what. But if I'm going to do them live, I want to get more subscribers and so people can watch. Like I said, I want to have fun with this and open more packs and boxes. And, you know, when I get stuff back from firehands.com, when my buddy gives me my winnings and stuff I won, I'll come and open them up also on here for you guys to see what goodies I got on that too. So until next time, I guess I'll talk to you later. I'm out.